Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Con Life.
Welcome to our channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Nuya.
Where we at, guys?
Kimpton Gray Hotel. Kimpton Gray Hotel.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Kimpton Gray Hotel in Chicago, Illinois. So in this video, what we're going to do is show you guys the room we're staying at. It's the one-bedroom suite. And then show you guys some of the amenities and on-site dining that this place has to offer. So with that being said, let's go ahead and check out the Kimpton Gray. The check-in desk is located on the second floor. The lobby has plenty of seating, including a large work desk, kids corner, ice cream for purchase, and offering sections with seating all around for privacy. One great thing about the hotel is the amount of elevators it has. Our room is on the 12th floor, room 1226. So this is it, the one-bedroom suite. We're going to go ahead and take a tour. So right when you enter, you have a closet. Very decorative closet. You got your safe in there. Plenty of room for all your belongings. Some robes included as well. An ironing board and iron. And as mentioned, it's a one-bedroom suite. So we got our living seating area here with the sectional. And the cross-sectional also becomes a sofa bed. And then TV right across. Very nice looking room. And then on the bottom here is your mini fridge. Right across is your one-bedroom king. Very spacious room. You got your king bed. Unique lighting in this room. I love it. So you got end tables on both sides. Especially this lamp right here. Some outlets at the bedside, which I love. Nice having your phone and everything else right across you. And then you have a TV right across with a little seating area. And then let's check out the view. It's night out right now, but I'll show you the daylight view as well. So that's the view we have from our room. And then pan all the way around into the bathroom. So you got your WC on the corner. Spacious bathroom, double sink. And look at that tub. Look at the shower. All in all, this is very nice. So yeah, it's nice that they got the soaking tub and the standing shower all in one area. So this concludes the room tour here at the Kimpton Gray. Let's see what else this place has to offer. Heading to the first floor, you'll find La Bella, an upscale restaurant and bar offering you breakfast, lunch, dinner, and brunch. Located on the 15th floor, you'll find Boleo, rooftop restaurant and lounge that steps you into South America. Back down to the second floor is Volume 39, a sophisticated cocktail bar. Other amenities on site include a 24-hour fitness center, and valet parking up front. Well, there you folks have it, the Kimpton Gray Hotel in Chicago, Illinois. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask these two down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.
Bye-bye, subscribe.